What is going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk to you about the DynamoDB CreateGlobalTable API, why it's useful and why you may want to use it, and also to show you how to use it in a Node.js example, which I'll provide in the second half of this. So first of all, what is CreateGlobalTable? Why do you want to use it? So CreateGlobalTable, or just global tables in general, allow you to create copies of a table across different regions so that you can serve your customers better, lower latency, all the good stuff that comes with multi-region redundancy. So what you get to do here with this API is to create a global table from an existing table so you can link them across multiple different regions. Now there's a couple different constraints here, and there's a whole bunch of them that you need to go through. So if you're linking two tables in different regions, then you need to follow all these rules. So the two tables must have the same primary key, same name, they must have DynamoDB streams enabled. There's a whole bunch of details here that need to be worked out and ensured in order to make sure that this API call will succeed. So make sure you read about all this stuff to make sure that you're in compliance with all these rules before you try and call this API. So now on to how to actually call it, how to use it. From Node.js rather. So it's pretty straightforward, nothing really complicated here. So you just specify a params object, you specify the global table name, so whatever string value you want it to be. Also provide a replication group. I didn't do much reading to replication group, but it seems it's required. Let's see if we can find some detail here. Replication group. Okay, a global table creates a replication relationship between two or more DynamoDB tables with the same table name in the provided regions. So it seems like you just need to provide a unique value here, or region name rather. Okay, so specify the region in which you want to create this second table, I believe is what this is specifying. Then you actually call the API, so create global table, give it the params that you just specified up here, and also a callback function, and then you can just kind of log if it's a success or an error, and then you go on your way. So I believe this API call, it succeeds right away, but it takes some time for the global table to actually be linked and created. So just keep in mind that even though this succeeds right away, it may take some time for it to actually be put into effect. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next one. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.